The Parirenyatwa group of hospitals, Zimbabwe's largest medical facility, is reportedly facing a severe shortage of essential drugs and medical equipment, putting millions of lives at risk as most patients cannot afford private medical care. As per Mushem Zimbabwe, Murumanzo mashoko ari kubuda achitaurwa pana paMpindula News vachiti aiwa Parirenyatwa zvina kumira mushe, vanhu vari kufa. Sarapina mashoko abuda chinyorwa kuti bva subscribe or like kuti on the bell icon. Tipina munhu kwamuchinzi, many patients at the hospital are often forced to wait in long queues only to be directed to purchase the necessary medicines from private pharmacies as the hospital struggles to provide these essential items. The Independent reported inside sources as saying the hospital is struggling to supply basic items such as gloves, syringes, and other critical equipment. The hospital authorities have reportedly warned the staff against divulging any information about the ongoing crisis, further exacerbating the challenges faced by the birth patients and healthcare workers, said a source who preferred anonymity. Domashoko ari kuda pana pazvinzi aiwa vakomana vari kuthreatina kunzi mukangoexposa situation ipaparirenyatwa unogona kudzingwa kati kunogona kusangana nezvamusangana nazvo vachinzi pane critical situation iri kuitika Parirenyatwa kunzi aiwa vari kutotadza kutotenga masyringes, magloves neother equipment, medicine avatorina, vanhu vari kungopiwa maprescriptions kunzi endai kupharmacy munotenga zvakati. Tudze mafungiro enyu muti kudii pamusoro pechipatara chikuru chemuzimbabwe. Kuna comment section medu musangana subscribe or like, turn on the bell.